This process is gonna be super simple. We're gonna open Google and we're gonna look for cinematic bars PNG, and then we're gonna pick the first result, click it, and then save it. Now it's gonna be in our camera roll, and then we're gonna open this app, CuteCut Pro. This application is so good, I'm telling you. I first had it like a couple years ago and I didn't learn how to use it, and then I installed it back again and I took my time to learn how to use this application. It is so worth it and I recommend it like a lot. That's one of my favorite apps. As you can see, it's in my first page on my phone, and it's followed by iMovie and Videorama. These three apps right here are so good, but even more this one. You can edit any kind of video, landscape, portrait. You can post it for YouTube, you can post it for Instagram if you want to make a square video, or you can even edit portrait mode for like taking the entire screen on your phone if you want to post a video on your Instagram stories. This application is so good for that, even better than iMovie. But let's open it. So we're gonna start a new project. We're gonna click on this plus sign right here, and then you're gonna choose your resolution. We're gonna choose 16:9, which is HD, and as I said before, you can edit it on portrait or landscape. What we're gonna do today is landscape, and we're gonna click done, and then we're gonna import a video. I have like so many videos already, but I'm gonna pick one that I actually wanna make this cinematic effect. Just gotta look for it. Should be somewhere around here. All right, it's right here. So this is the video that I wanna switch around. So once you have your video, then we're gonna click again on the plus sign right here, and we're gonna get the PNG image that we saved, and then select that image, and then you're gonna select the image, and then hold and drag and take the entire video. Once you've done that, you're gonna have the cinematic effect, as you can see right now. I was wondering how to do this, but I couldn't find a video explaining like how to really do it with apps. So I made my research, and this is what I found, and it is totally worth it. So I'm just gonna leave a few samples at the end of the video so you can see different footage with the same cinematic effect, and but that's it. Like, you don't have to do any more. I mean, if you wanna like switch around colors, you can even do it with this app down here. Just click it and you have all these options. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't want to make this video too long. So what we have to do right now is just save the project, and we're done. And as I said, I'm gonna show a few more samples at the end of the video. I just wanna say thanks for your time, and if you wanna support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.